Eva Trades.
Hey, welcome to the live show. Friday. It's Friday. Happy Friday. All that good stuff. And let's go look at some charts and trade a little bit. Here we go. Day trading is risky, so I would encourage you to use stop losses. That's what I do. You'll notice when I get into my trades that I have a target and a stop loss in every trade that I take to help me be protective so that I don't take big losses. Now, yesterday, I had an overall big loss day. I broke some rules. So my game book rules here that I have, I'm done if I hit my max loss of $40. I'm done if I give back half after hitting my daily goal. I won't take more than 4 positions to start the day, and I won't take more positions than my max loss allows. Well, I hit my max loss and I kept trading, and I knowingly broke the rule. And I said, hey, I'm breaking the rule. And then I got myself back to a, I was down like $25, and then kept trading and ended up being down like over 60. So that's what, has happened in the past. Anytime I've ever broken my rules, I end up with a big red day. So that's what happened. So today I'm already starting the day out up on the day. I traded this morning. These are 3 of the stocks on the gap scan this morning, and the other one is over here. And I made the most on LCID, but right now I'm up. Showed $1 million there for a second. I was about to poop myself. Sorry about that. 14.14 on the day. So my daily goal is $20, so I'm $6 away. So I traded all 4 of these stocks that I'm going to be going over today. So only one I lost on was the leading gapper, which is SQL. So it is consolidating sideways. Let me see here. I'll pull up the larger time frame so we can see hourly inside bars. Bulls want to hold that support. We broke it by a little bit here, but no follow through. So that's notable, but I am cautious that we may just get a lower high on this 15-minute bounce. And then we may see hourly consolidation start to take place. It did start to take place here. A little 2-bar pullback and then a nice breakout, but couldn't hold. So we're slingshotting back and forth here. It's consolidation. What are you going to do? 15-minute higher low and higher high on HILS. Choppy on the lower time frame. So I'm watching a 5-minute uptrend here. It's actually not too bad. Long upper wick on that candle telling me that we might consolidate. So far, SQL and HILS both looking like they might consolidate, in my opinion. HKD looking like it might break out here. Get an inside bar, lower wick. Bulls need to get over 10.15. And are looking up at 10.31. We have a double bottom down here at 9.91. So just tightening up. LCID, big move up. I capitalized on that. But it's been consolidating ever since. 2-bar pullback on the 15-minute time frame. This one's actually, is this a... I think it's a gap down. Yeah, it looks like it's a gap down stock. Not even on the gap scan at all, so never mind. Yeah, basically opening sideways from yesterday. SPY, low of yesterday. We broke through it, back testing it now. 4-hour time frame, daily. We lost the daily uptrend. So we have a lower high and lower low. That means consolidation on the weekly. And you can see we have a red bar. It's an inside bar at the moment, but we have plenty of room to pull back here and form a higher low. Perfectly healthy consolidation at this point. We'll be watching the hourly. Hourly oversold ain't doing jack for us here so far. We get hourly oversold, then we get another leg down. Maybe watch 4 hour oversold. See if we get that. Last time we had 4 hour oversold, we had one more leg down, and that was the bottom of this move. Well, we had another one here, but it was in the general area of the bottom. But it's an hourly downtrend right now, so we'll be keeping an eye on that. 5-minute uptrend, so we're bouncing on the hourly. You see that bounce on the hourly, it is a 5-minute uptrend. We've got 30 seconds to go till the market opens. So we need to get out of the tightening ranges here. SQL, anything below 218 is a lower high. HILS, looking for consolidation. Bulls want to hold 213. And HKD want to see a little more follow through on that breakout. It is a 1-minute uptrend, but barely. Right away, LCID. Oh, I didn't even have it over here on the screen. Sometimes I forget to look. So I'm going to watch these first 1-minute candles for, I'm watching the ranges to make sure my stop losses are set correct. SPY is taking off first thing. Breaking out over yesterday's low. Here on HKD, we're bouncing off of that support there. 27 cents on that range. Yesterday, I was quick to jump in right away. Today, I may wait a little bit. I want to jump in here on this support, but I'm waiting. I see HILS breaking out here. I'm still waiting. Part of that was me changing my stop loss parameter. That's what happened yesterday. That was the kind of action I was facing. I'm going to see if we hold this support here. I'm actually going to move my stop loss up. I'm risking 488. Let me see where I'm at here. So I'm down $1.50 on the day, so I'm definitely going to wait here a little bit. I don't want to get chewed up right away like I did yesterday, so I was pretty close to my daily goal. Is this thing just going to... Should I buy it? Not unless it pulls back. Okay, so there's a pullback. Remember before how it dropped really fast? I'm just going to pretend that I didn't see that last time, and hopefully it doesn't do that again. So we're coming up to that high, 243. It's an inside bar on the 15-minute time frame. That 1-minute candle is about to close. So I'm just selling it there. So I'm up 763 now on the day. Just completely got out of everything. Uber. Uber is popping up on the scan. Here's a look at Uber. We got over 34.75 up against 34.95. HILS going higher. I'm buying HKD against the VWAP. I know I already got stopped out on this one once. Wow. Uber at $35 there. And I'm selling it right there. So I might end up getting stopped out over here. I jumped in this for the break and it's not breaking. It's got a really wide what's the word I'm looking for? Spread. Got a really wide spread on it. So if I go down here, you can see right here where the bid is. I need that green to get up here to where my entry is, or I'm not going to make any money if I sell this. So that's kind of what I'm waiting for. I just bought HILS off of that support right there. I flattened HKD. Wow. See the break. Jump back in that down low. Getting beat up on SQL there. That was the one I took losses on pre-market too. So I am in over here on Uber. HPCO just got halted. I don't know. Maybe I should have sold Uber here at that resistance. I took a trade over here on SQL. As it was breaking out here. Make back a little bit of what I lost. Well, yeah, I should have taken that profit on Uber when I had it. So going red on that stock now. SPY pulling back. HILS. And I'm jumping in SQL on that pullback. I want to see if we get a pop back up. Five-minute time frame. That candle, oh, it's going to close here pretty quick. Nice move so far on HILS. Out of SQL, making back a little more. I'm going to selling HILS at that 250 level in case that's where we pull back. So I'm only down 1787 now. SQL, I should have held that trade, I guess. That would have been, that's a pretty nice breakout here. Well, I'm going to jump back in it for the break through the high then. So we may be looking for an equilibrium on SQL. High, low. This could be a lower high. We might pull back here. I'm just going to go ahead and get out, take a small loss on it in case we do end up pulling back. Oops, I wasn't watching. I took a trade over on the other screen over here. Over here, SOXS. I bought this pullback, and then as it broke that candle, I sold it. Okay, so my stop losses are below the low here on SQL. Bulls want to hold this low and break over 213 and 218, or 216 rather. Okay, I'm going to sell half there. And I'll hold the rest of this to see if we do get the break. Quick trade over there. I'm up green there on the day. If I were to sell right now, go ahead and sell right now. So green on the day. HPCO getting halted again. I still haven't looked at HPCO. It's too bad. It's too bad about Uber here taking that loss. I made such good money on the way up and then took that loss on the way back. Let's see if this is a mistake. $21. Yeah, that was a mistake for sure. I'm selling it there. Look at SPY breaking out. Okay, I'm going to jump into Uber here now. We broke that. We had this diamond pattern that we're breaking out of. I'm also in a trade over here, looking to break this equilibrium. Bullish. I'm going to sell it quick if we break. So I am in 4 positions right now. That's right. HKD had a wide spread. I'm going to sell it right there. Oh, that was a nice break. Wow. Taking off. My gosh. Yeah, that's too bad on SQL, how it failed like that. And I took the loss. So I'm back red on the day. I'm going to go ahead and take my profit here. So HPCO, yeah, it got halted going down. It got halted going up and then now halted going down. I guess I should have been watching that one. So I'm not doing so well. Down 24 bucks. Boy, it's just back and forth for me today. Back in on Uber. Whoa. Okay. HKD, I jumped in it as it was starting to break, and this just whipped down really fast and stopped me out, like so quick. It was so fast you could barely see it. So I better check my P&L, see where I'm at. Okay, I'm not close to my max loss. I thought I might be. So, can the bulls get over 3504? I like where my stop losses are here. I'm at this low. It's a new 5-minute candle. We could pull back. Just looking probably for a lower high on this 5-minute time frame. I suppose I'll sell half right now, just to be on the safe side. In a trade over here. Bear break, bull break scenario. Selling half there. I'm going to sell the rest as it dropped down. Still in this trade over here on Uber. I'm actually deciding that I'm going to get rid of HKD. I'm out of Uber, sold it. And over here, looking for the break through the high. If Uber starts to break out, I'm going to jump back in it here because we had the pullback there. Selling that. Down $9. I've been close to my max loss a couple of times today already. See, I'm seeing SPY pull back, but Uber being stronger. I'm going to go ahead and buy. Oh, I don't have a stop loss there. So that's going to be tricky. I move my stop loss. Now I have a stop loss. I put one in. Oh, SOXS just breaking out through the high. Well, question here is, should I add on Uber, or are we looking for a 15-minute lower high, a 5-minute lower high? We have that high of day right here at 35.23. SOXS looking like it wants to keep going here. And it does. I'm adding to Uber. Just taking the small profit on SOXS. Dip buy. Watching Uber. Buying for the break. There's the break, so I'm taking the profit. Flatten this out over here too. I'm up $5 on the day. I'm kind of wondering if I should stop because every time I go up green, I end up giving it back and going back red. I'll buy a dip on Uber. See if we get resumption here. SPY's moving up, so that might help us out. Nice 2-bar pullback on SOXS there. Taking the profit on Uber, so up only $7 on the day. Probably could have held that a little more. It's getting late in the day. I think that's probably going to do it for me. I think I'm going to stop there. Let me think about it here. I'll try one more dip trade on Uber. I'm risking 350, so if I get stopped out, I will still be green. SPY trying to move up again. So we'll see if maybe Uber can follow suit. I want to see if I can get back to green on Uber. I'm almost there. Let's see if I can do it. Yeah, I don't know. I'm going to get out. Did not get back to green on it. Still up 585. Maybe we bounce off of that support there, though. You know? SPY is still pulling back. I'll try it. I waited for a while there just to see. It was really whipping around on SOXS. Oh, I got stopped out on Uber. Okay. But I made money on the other one, so kind of swap places there. Wow, that's a good size drop on Uber, isn't it? SPY doing the same thing. SOXS doing its own thing here. I joined the bid. And I'll sell for just a little bit more. I'm up 792. Yeah, you know, these drops like this, you know, that could get me. That could sure get me. I'm going to stop right there. That's going to do it for me. That's the end of my day. So I'm up $7.92. Hard fought for. I was down so far, so many times. Never did hit my max loss, but I was down probably 35 bucks a couple of times. Today's the 10th. Not a bad way to end the week. Green is green. So nothing wrong with that. We'll come back over here. And I'll put my profit in here, $7.92. It's going to look really small compared to that big red day yesterday. But hey, at least it's a move in the right direction. So that's it from me. Let's see. What does that do for this? If I put 792, my average and stuff. Well, I don't know what happened there, but anyways, I got to figure that out. I got something going on here with this. All right. Well, thank you for joining me today. I appreciate you. I don't know. Okay. I jumped in this one because it's looking strong. What if it drops like the other ones did? I'm just going to go ahead and sell it in case. So now I'm up 966. All right. So, all right. now I'm definitely going to stop. 966. Make that candle just a little bit bigger. Thanks for tuning in. I appreciate it. You guys have a good rest of your day. I hope your Friday's going well. I hope you're making money. I hope you're trading your strategy, following your rules. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you on Monday. We'll be back at it again. Take care. Bye.